Hello and welcome to my video all about how to make this cosy Christmas cracker garland using mainly toilet roll tubes. This is a very quick and easy project, and to follow along you're going to need some toilet roll tubes, some twine or something similar such as ribbon or yarn, some fabric, I'm just using some cosy plaid fleece, as well as a pair of scissors, a ruler and some strong clear drying glue. Okay, so to begin, you need to cut out a rectangle of fabric for each cardboard tube. My cardboard tubes are 10.5 centimeters long, and I cut the fabric rectangle 26.5 centimeters long, therefore giving me 8 centimeters of excess fabric at each end. The circumference of my cardboard tubes is 15 centimeters, and I made the width of the rectangle 18 centimeters. And this is because I only need a few centimeters of excess fabric widthwise. Then you need to use your scissors to cut open the cardboard tube, like so. Then center the tube on the fabric. Wrap the fabric around the tube and glue it in place inside that opening you've just made. I tried to use PVA glue to start with, but it just wasn't strong enough to hold the fabric. So I definitely recommend using a stronger clear drying glue. I personally used UHU all-purpose adhesive. Then leave this to dry and repeat the steps for all the other cardboard tubes. Once all of the crackers have dried, you can then glue the opening shut. So just apply some glue along the opening and then press the fabric edges together. The reason I do it like this is because then you get a nice smooth join and there's no overlapping fabric. Note that you don't need to apply glue along the whole edge of the fabric, only where the tube is. Then repeat the same for all the other crackers and then leave them to dry. For the next step, I'm going to string these crackers onto some thin twine for that rustic look. But you can use anything else you like, from string to yarn to ribbon. I personally used a large yarn needle to feed the twine through the crackers, but you could just use your hands, or you could even tie the twine to a pen and then push that through the crackers instead. Once you've threaded all the crackers, just try and space those crackers out evenly along the twine. And then for the last step, you just need to tie up each end of the cracker, and I personally use some decorative braided cord. First, you'll need to work out how much you're going to need to tie each end of the cracker. So just tie a nice bow on one end of a cracker, cut the cord to size, and then use this as a guide to cut out the next pieces of cord. Then just tie up each end of the crackers. Note that if you want to hide any sweets in these crackers so that people can find them after Christmas, then now is the time to do so. And that's it, that's the cracker garland completed. I really hope you enjoyed this project, and thank you very much for watching.